Hello! In this session, we are going to solve an algebraic problem involving identities with three variables. By the end of this video, you will be able to evaluate complex algebraic expressions by applying the square of a trinomial identity. Let's look at our problem. If a plus b plus c equals 6 and a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 14, then find the value of a minus b squared plus b minus c squared plus c minus a squared. First, let's identify what we are given. We know the sum of three variables a, b, and c equals 6. We also know the sum of their squares equals 14. Our goal is to find the value of the sum of the square differences between these variables. To solve this, we need a link between the sum of the variables, the sum of their squares, and their pairwise products. This is a fundamental algebraic identity. Notice that we already have values for two of the terms in this equation. Let's plug them in. Replacing the sum with 6 and the sum of squares with 14, we get 6 squared equals 14 plus 2 times the quantity ab plus bc plus ca. Now, we simplify. 6 squared is 36. To isolate the term we need, we subtract 14 from both sides. This gives us 22. So, 2 times the quantity ab plus bc plus ca equals 22. Finally, dividing by 2, we find that the sum of the products ab, bc, and ca is equal to 11. We will need this value for the next part of our calculation. Now, let's look at the expression we actually need to evaluate. We can expand each of these squared binomials using the formula x minus y squared equals x squared minus 2 by y plus y squared. Look closely at these terms. We have two a squared terms, two b squared terms, and two c squared terms. By grouping the like terms, we can factor out a 2. This leaves us with 2 times the sum of the squares, minus 2 times the sum of the pairwise products. Now we substitute the values we know. We were given that the sum of squares is 14, and we just calculated that the sum of the products is 11. Multiplying gives us 28 minus 22, which results in a final answer of 6. To recap, we used the square of a trinomial identity to find the missing component, expanded our target expression, and substituted the values to find the result. You have now successfully evaluated a multivariable algebraic expression.